All right, and the last thing I'll talk about is machine learning and big data. Oh, that's the second to last thing. I want to talk about one more thing on the future of technology. I told you I'm going to spend a long time on this, but it's pretty cool. So right now, everyone has sensors everywhere, right? So there's the concept of iBeacon, beacons. How many people have heard of beacon? Okay, good. 3 people. Awesome. Maybe 4. So beacon is basically, right now I have GPS on my phone, right? And GPS on my phone tells me where I am, approximately. Good enough for me to call an Uber car. What beacon does is it tells me exactly where I am in a store, which aisle I'm on. It says exactly your location. If I'm in a bar and you're trying to serve me alcohol, you know exactly where I am in the bar. So it gives me very, very granular level location information. And sensors are everywhere. So in a world where sensors are everywhere, you now have insane amounts of data, right? If a company is a business, you're trying to take that information and create actionable decisions that are going to help ultimately improve your business. It's not just like, right now it's kind of like, oh, it's cool to get a bunch of data about people. Let's gather all this data. And let's give them these cards and track every transaction they do in a grocery store. Let's give them these credit cards. But in reality, you have to try to think about what does that actually mean for business and how can I make actionable decisions. That is big data. That is machine learning. How do I take massive data sets, millions and billions of rows, and make sense of that data? How do I find structure in these massive data sets? And that's what machine learning is all about. So machine learning is going to be huge, and I highly recommend everyone in this class takes a lot of statistics classes. I studied statistics, so I'm also biased, but I think it's important, especially when you look at the power of machine learning, which is kind of like statistics plus computer science.